Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Love is when you can look at somebody who's imperfect perfectly.
that's right. And sometimes you don't realize what something is worth until you lose it. And unfortunately, this is one of those cases. Check it out. Baby, can I please have one more chance? The time I try harder to be a better man. And if you don't take me back, girl, I understand, but believe me, I'll never hurt you again. Baby, can I please have one more chance? This time I try harder to be a better man. And if you don't take me back, girl, I understand, but believe me, I'll never hurt you again.
This is based on a true story about a lady and a man. She was always there for him, but he never understands the love that she had for him and the tears that she cried. Then everything came back and hit him the day she said goodbye. He had a perfect chance, but what took over was his pride. He knew he could get another girl, so he left her on the side. He thought to himself that she would always be there waiting, but she was fed up, she couldn't let her heart keep breaking. His vision was blurry, I could see it clearly. All the mistakes that he made was beginning to bury the feelings that she had and the love that she saved. Now the love passed away and it's dead in the grave. Now that she's gone, he would do anything to make her stay. He couldn't see what hit it, for his heart was ablaze. He thought this was a game, so he played his part. Never knew karma would come back and break his heart.
Baby, can I please have one more chance? This time I'll try harder to be a better man. And if you don't take me back, girl, I understand, but believe me, I'll never hurt you again. Baby, can I please have one more chance? This time I'll try harder to be a better man. And if you don't take me back, girl, I understand, but believe me, I'll never hurt you again. I remember from the start how it used to be. I gave you all of my heart almost instantly. I'm a man but got no shame in telling my love that I fell for you. Since you fell from above, I had you here with me, cause you was always there. You wanted a relationship, but I was somehow scared. You was by my side every hour and every minute. I'm brave but was afraid of the power of commitment. So I turned my back on you and you got up and left. I don't think it could get worse than the burden in my chest when you told me about your new man I can never forget.